Dynamics 365 Customer Service has an exciting new feature called Activity Monitoring. With it, admins gain new insight into how their rules are executing. It provides a quick and easy way for admins to troubleshoot and resolve issues impacting customers. Starting from the Customer Service Manager dashboard, we navigate to Service Management, then Automatic Record Creation and Update Rule. Selecting View Activity Monitor displays the current state of the rules being applied to our records. A green circle indicating Ready for Power Automate. A gray circle for Skipped, or a red circle to indicate Failed. In addition to the current state, the grid includes the rule name, the monitored activity type, the monitored activity item, the condition name, the reason for the current state, and the date the rule was evaluated. Each of these categories can be filtered for troubleshooting purposes. Double-clicking a rule or activity will open the Activity Monitoring Summary. In this example, an email was received reporting a printing problem. The status is skipped, with the reason specified as no valid entitlement for this email sender, which is why the check failed. Navigating to the rule under Details and opening the Advanced Settings, we can verify that, yes, it requires a valid entitlement. When the incoming email did not contain that entitlement, the case was marked as skipped, which is the successful execution of the existing automatic rule. With Activity Monitor, we can easily choose the activities we want to monitor by navigating to Monitor option. Simply select and save. For our legacy clients, your legacy rules will also be monitored and listed on the new Activity Monitor, so you get all the modern automated record creation rules you have created, as well as your legacy rules that have not been migrated to the new web client. For example, we can monitor the activity here, and by opening the details of the legacy rule, we are prompted with a message directing us back to the legacy web client if we want to edit the rule. Let's say you only have one rule you need to troubleshoot. We can navigate to the Automatic Record Creation tab and select the rule we want to review. Activity Monitor has been added here as well, so now admins can monitor their activities on a per-rule basis. With automatic record creation for rules and tasks and the new Activity Monitor available to admins, both new and existing legacy businesses have modern tools to quickly resolve customer emails and tasks.